We Move You LLC Paramus Moving Company. We Move You is a professional moving company located in Paramus, New Jersey that offers both residential and commercial services. Read our Google reviews. We Move You movers are the very best and most professional that there is in Paramus, New Jersey. I would highly recommend this company to anyone looking for an easy move. Michael and his team are quick, professional, and affordable. They were extremely mindful of my furniture and put a lot of care into making sure the move was just right. Positive, professionalism, quality, responsiveness, value. Very professional crew, took very good care of packing and moving everything. Our services: home moving, moving logistics, business moving, storage, packing. We are well equipped to handle moving projects of all types. Our commercial and residential clients can all rest assured in the knowledge that we use only the best equipment for packing, loading, transporting, logistics, unloading, and placing your belongings where they belong. We know that moving to a new place is a time of incurring lots of different types of costs for you and/or your family, and this is why we have made every effort to offer some of the most competitive rates in the area, making sure that you get unprecedented value for money from the job you pay for. Thank you for watching. Get an estimate today.